lot number 115 is a 2004 Ford Ranger Edge. This is a twin cab Ford Ranger. It's got a V6 3.0 liter that turns over but does not start. It may have a bad fuel pump. It's been sitting out here in storage for a while, and those fuel pumps tend to go bad. According to the shop notes, it drove here, so I'm guessing that it's a fuel pump issue. It only has 75,000 original miles, very low miles. I'm gonna turn it over so you could hear it. The motor turns over nice, but no start. Here we go. Marks a little gas. There are the miles. Let me try and get closer here. It's got 75, I know it's hard to see here, 75,800 miles. Next service due, 76,000 miles. May just need a fuel pump. Unknown mechanical conditions. Being sold as is. .0 liter V6. The body is straight. The paint is rough. It's peeling and faded. It's got clear coat peeling. The headlights are dull. It's got 4 matching steel wheels. The tires look fair, but I don't know how long it's been sitting out here, and they may have flat spots. The roof shows surface rust. Both doors have paint peeling here from the decal removal. And the body's nice and straight. It's got very minor dings and dents. Shows normal wear and tear. I believe this was a Parks and Rec vehicle. Bed looks good. Some surface rust on the roof, some paint peeling on the door. No major damage. Just keep in mind it does not start. It needs to be towed out of here. And it may be as simple as a fuel pump. Let me show you the interior. Interior shows normal wear and tear. The driver's seat is torn. The steering wheel is worn. And it needs a really good cleaning. It's really dirty inside. It's got rust issues on the door jambs. This one more than the driver's side. Got a lot of rust in here. A lot of rust on the passenger side door jamb. Look at that. Just on that top, under the rubber, these little trucks are, it's a common problem on them. Let's look at the driver's side. Driver's side has some rust in there, but not so much as the passenger side. This one just has this little spot here. Driver's seat is torn. Rubber mat looks good. It'll clean up well. Keep in mind, you got a little rust in the door jambs, and it's not starting. All right, there you have it. It's a good looking Ford Ranger. Definitely worth fixing. It's lot number 115. 115, good luck.